Okay, so I got the other West Bend made Elgin done, and wouldn't you know it, one popped up on Marketplace this morning, and I just couldn't resist. It's another 1956, 5.5, and it looks to be in pretty good, pretty good shape. The guy was all out of price tag stickers, so he just wrote it right on there. I'm just teasing. Let's pop the hood and see what's happening under there. Yeah. Looks okay. Sounds like it's binding up or something. Must be probably just dirt. All these will be alright. Just don't touch them when it's running. Stick your tongue on it and I'll pull it and see if we got spark. Who wants to help me do that? Little more paint oxidation, you know, paint coming off than the other one that we just did. But alright. This spring belongs down here, but I can guess what they did that for. When that spring gets weak, it hooks into here and it doesn't put enough tension on the cable. Boy, that cable is shiny clean. Makes me wonder if somebody hasn't fixed on that. Gas lines will all get replaced. This one's coming off anywhere. It's off of there. Not a problem. This looks pretty good. Sounds okay. Got compression. I'll be digging in. Pretty good looking hood. 1956. Sears Elgin 571.59501. 1956. Everything's intact. Nothing missing. Alright, Elgin 5.5, number 2 coming up. Perhaps not as good as the one on the last videos, but when they get at it, tune in shortly for a progress report. Thanks for watching.